Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to adjust pitch for Google Text-to-Speech on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, go to language and input. Okay, tap this. In language and input, below on other section, you can see the text to speech. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the text to speech output. And now you can see here the pitch. And to adjust the pitch for your Google text to speech, you'll have to do is, okay, you can see the adjustment here. You can adjust to the right to hide the pitch, or you can adjust to the left to slow the pitch. And okay guys, so okay, you can hear the pitch speed by tap the play button here to hear the pitch. And okay, so if you want to adjust to default settings, so you'll have to do is tap the reset button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully adjust pitch for Google Text-to-Speech on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.